Let's make the spicy salmon with crispy rice. First we need to cook our rice, then mix in some rice vinegar and salt. Tightly pack it into a container and store in the fridge for about an hour or overnight. Then we need to cut up the salmon into small cubes, then finally chop the spring onion. In a separate bowl, mix the mayonnaise, sriracha, soy sauce and sesame oil to create our spicy mayonnaise. Mix the spicy mayonnaise, spring onion and salmon together and leave to marinate. Then we need to cut up the formed rice into even pieces. Tightly pack it together and grill it on a hot, well-oiled pan. Gently top the rice with the spicy salmon, garnish with nori and serve with soy sauce. If you're craving sushi, this is such an easy substitute and tastes exactly the same. This is quick and easy to make and turns out absolutely delicious. Enjoy!